I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is the Bray way. And I'm what? Bray. Yes it is, yes it is, yes it is. If you new, welcome to my channel. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's get straight to the point. So a few days ago I posted well, I don't know when I'm gonna put this video out. So a while back, yeah, I posted that I got a pink iPad for Christmas. Yeah, I got a pink iPad for Christmas. So now I'm doing the accessories that I got that actually fit this time. And what's on my iPad, like I really use my iPad for school and YouTube. So yeah, that's what I mainly use it for. But I just want to go ahead and show y'all the case that I got. It's a clear case because I had a pink iPad. Why would I cover all this beauty up? Like, I know I gotta protect it, but we still gotta let the color come through. And it got a little spot for the pencil. I have this pencil case because I thought it would kind of good with it. It's watermelon. All the stuff I got from Amazon. It's a watermelon pencil case and it clicks. So my pencil come out and then it goes back up, click, and then back up, click, back up. My finger was in the way. Yeah, and I really like this because it's like so cute, but it don't fit in a case like that. But I'm gonna switch this case up. So oh yeah, and I bought a white one too, just so I have options, you know, if I want to go back to the white look and whatnot. Yeah, and I also have a paper fill screen protector because I'll be taking notes on it and the regular screen protector is too slick. So it's like, yeah, so that's that. But let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna link all this stuff in the description box. But let's go ahead. Oh, and I'm gonna put my name right here or something. I don't know why I'm put right here because I have a Cricut, so I can just put, I can customize this case any way I want to. I don't know if I want to do stickers in my name or just my name. I don't know. I'm gonna customize it though. I just ain't got around to it. Yeah, I told you I was gonna do that, but your girl didn't get a chance. So I'm gonna screen record and put it up over here so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. So I don't have to be like, yeah. But y'all already seen my home screen, but I'm gonna show y'all again. I gotta start screen recording. I'm waiting for it to start. Okay, so it didn't start. So this is my wait, it turned off. Let me do this again. Let me start it over. Because dang, give a girl a chance. 2, 1. Okay, so this is my home screen. Let me hurry up and unlock it. That's my home screen. And I have a pink background and pink widgets. I did the widgets the same color pink as the background, so it looked like it's like not widget, like it looked like it's just that. And I got this little quote at the bottom that say, don't let the bad days make you think you have a bad life, because it's just one day. You have one bad day and you wake up in the morning and your day is reset. Don't carry your bad baggage from yesterday into tomorrow, because no, it don't work like that, okay? But I have this cute setup. This is the only, well, not the only, but I could have made everything fit, but this is the screen that I have. Like, my screen is set up to the apps that I actually use, like for real, and then all my other apps is just in the little app library. And my thing on the side is my screen time. I ain't set it up yet, and the weather I ain't changed to my area yet because I really didn't want y'all to see my area type thing. And the battery percentage and my sub count. Subscribe to your girl. Let's get this thing up to 500, okay? Let's, you see it say 416. We almost there. So subscribe to your girl, like for real, because I know you want to see some more of me. Like, be so free. But yeah, okay, so the first app is Procreate. I was just playing around in there. I made some little like mock-up beanies because yeah, I be wanting some beanies, like, yeah. But I ain't gonna do nothing with it. I was just playing around. And Bestie Westie did the other 2 things on here because her be on here too. And then I had Amazon. I always need Amazon because I be putting stuff in my basket, looking what I have in my basket, then I be on my phone adding other stuff, and I be just all over the place. And gotta have Amazon. Yeah, I wait for some stuff to come right now, today, at this very moment. Then Canva, I use Canva to edit my thumbnails or make thumbnails or whatnot. It's all types of stuff in here. I just be, Canva is really that girl. Like, that's what I made my my latest intro on. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I think that's what it was. I just did a page by page type thing. Oh, here's the video right here of my intro that I made for myself. This is the intro that you guys are seeing. I just don't have the music and the other stuff yet because I just did, like, I use multiple apps to make it, so that's just that. But yeah, if you're a YouTuber, you need Canva because yeah, you're gonna need that. And I use PixArt for something, I guess, to make, I don't know. Yeah, I really don't remember what. See, I don't even remember what I used that for, so let's get off of that. But you definitely need that as a YouTuber. PixArt come in handy for making intros too. I know a lot of people use that to make intros, but I don't remember exactly what I did for my intro, but I used it for my intro. Yeah, sorry y'all. And then I have Camera Connect. So this is how I connect my camera to upload when I edit on my iPad. Like, I connect my camera to my iPad, and then I could upload the videos off of there and start editing. And then I use CapCut sometimes to edit. This is my wig review video, and I just need to upload it and things. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, now I just have that in there. I got some stuff in my cloud, but I was just trying to save some storage, so that's that. I use CapCut to edit, but I think I'm gonna go back to editing on my MacBook because I can have like more storage. I use iMovie on my MacBook, and then I upload it to the cloud so I could delete it off my laptop and have more space. But I'm running out of space on my iPad, so yeah. And then, you know, your girl need YouTube Studio. Yes, we want the notifications. YouTube Studio, my channel analytics. Right now, the unboxing of this iPad is let me show y'all this side. This iPad is doing great. Like, the video is doing great. Like, really great. And then you can see her comments and stuff. My girl Didi really has been showing me love, so hey girl, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. Thank you so much. But yeah, next we have the regular YouTube. I use that to I like watching YouTube too, so I really love Local Black Child. Gabby is hilarious. And then Yana has a channel. There goes her channel right there. That's my cousin's best friend. And Samantha, I watch her channel as well. And then some other things. Girl Get Up, y'all need to watch that, okay? Watch it, okay? But yeah, I like having YouTube. I mean, I gotta have YouTube to upload and stuff. Like, what? Be so for real. But yeah, I like watching YouTube stuff. I use Fonto to like make, like, add my words to my thumbnails. So my pink iPad video, that thumbnail, I use Fonto to make the let me upload it for y'all so y'all can see. Photo albums, I use Fonto to make those pink letters. The letters on the words and letters and the star and everything on this thumbnail here, Fonto, okay? And I think Fonto is really good. Like, I was sleeping on it. I've known about Fonto ever since I started my YouTube channel, and I'd never used it because I was like, I could just use everything in Canva. No, Fonto is that girl. Next we have sub count and refresh. Yeah, except for 16, but it's really growing, y'all. Like, it's almost February. Would it be February? I think February would be a year. February 7th or something like that would be a year since I started, like, actually posting content on my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, It came around so fast, like, and I just love doing it now. It's like I gotta get the content, I gotta record, like, I just love it. But at the bottom, this stuff right here, Blackboard, excuse me, Blackboard is what I use for school. Classes start this week, so stuff is being uploaded in it now, but I use Blackboard. My school uses Blackboard, so this is how I access all my classes and stuff. Yeah. Oof, dreading it, but it gotta get done, I guess. And then I use Notion to, like, I'm still working on it, but do my student dashboard. I already added in one class because this was the class that came up first. And I got all my to-do date, my to-do dates. That's not right. My to-do list with the dates of when everything is done. The due dates of when everything is due. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm sorry. I'll be talking so fast sometimes. I be tripping over my words, y'all. But yeah, it really this is really great for, like, if you're in school, get Notion, okay? And it's free, so definitely get in. My course schedule, I haven't done that yet because all my classes are online, so I'm just gonna put in when stuff is due so I can see, like, an overview of everything instead of clicking on every single class. And they have a grade calculator. I ain't doing nothing with that yet, so you can, like, calculate your grades as the semester goes along, because sometimes professors don't like to upload stuff on time, and you need to know what's going on. Like, let a girl know something, because I can't be having it. Yeah, can't. And then this is just to-do list, personal to-do list. I probably ain't nothing yet, but YouTube to-do list, and that's how I'm gonna keep up with my list and what I need to do, because y'all, sometimes my mind be all over the place. I have, like, multiple things that be going on in my head, and yeah. And I was supposed to start a journal, but as you can see, it still says January 1st and it's January 8th, so I just have a lot going on, getting ready to go back to school, and yeah, it's a lot going on. Get ready to go back to school, trying to get content out, because I know when I go to school, that's usually when my content, like, slows down. So I'm trying to record videos in advance so I can just have them scheduled to be posted, and I don't have to too much worry about posting content. Smart. I know. I know. But yeah, that's that. And next we have good notes. Y'all, you need good notes, okay? If you're in college, good notes, yes, okay? Just chef's kiss, period. But I've been using good notes to take notes for my lash class that I took, because your girl about to start doing lashes. Yes, so I just did a notebook cover and added a pink paper to it, and yeah, that's my notes for my lash class. Oh, I mean exam. And then I do, like, notebooks. I ain't start my notebooks for this semester, but notebooks for classes and stuff. And then I have this planner that I may use, but I don't know how I'm feeling about it yet, so I don't know. But you can have a planner in here. Yeah. Excuse me. But I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I don't know. And then, you know, I gotta have a Gmail, because that's how I get my my wig deals, keep up with school stuff, keep up with when my orders is coming, okay? Because I need to know my orders is coming. And then I have Cricut Design Space. I have a Cricut, so this is how I edit to make stuff, my projects, how I do my designs and stuff, so they can be printed out. And yeah, let's see what's over here. Oh, and I use color widgets. That's my widget app that I use, color widgets, for my screen. And I really don't have much on here, because I really just use it for YouTube and school. So I'm not gonna have games, and I don't have TikTok and stuff like that, because I don't want to get distracted if I'm using it for school. But yeah, that's what's on your girl's iPad. I had it for that long, so that's why I don't have that much stuff. But I think what I have is pretty good, because I'm already running out of storage. So I'm just gonna use it for YouTube and school, and that's it. That's what's on your girl iPad. I know this video was short and sweet, but I just wanted to show y'all what I be doing with this thing. Like, I love it. Oh no, I cannot do this without showing y'all the camera. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't look at my clothes. But oh, the camera's on the side, so let me turn it to the side. The camera is immaculate, okay? Like, I could always almost tell somebody they could start your channel with this here, cause giving, okay? This camera gives. All right. And I don't have my music app set up because I ain't logged into it from my phone yet, but I have a MacBook and I usually play music off of that, so I don't know if I might play music off. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. But yeah, that's all I have on my iPad, and I love it. It's so cute. Like, oh, let's get a thumbnail, y'all. Hold on, wait. I think I like this side, but thumbnail. Hold up, wait. I gotta get right, y'all. Get right. Okay, y'all, but that's all that's on my pink iPad. All the accessories that I have for it right now. Yeah, and the screen protector. Yeah, it came with 2 of them, so it's another one in here. That's why I still have the thing. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. All right, y'all.